Yeah, my name is Chris Searle. I'm a car accident lawyer in Boston. I want to give to you some things that you should keep in mind if you are ever involved in a car accident. Uh, First thing to do is to make sure you're okay, right? To check out your body, see if you're okay, see if you're injured or not. It's important to call 911 if you are injured. It's important to call ambulance. Make sure an ambulance brings you to a hospital if you feel you need it. Only if you need it, would I suggest taking the ambulance to the hospital. It's better to be safe than sorry. It's important, secondly, to gather evidence. Make sure that you take photographs of the scene as much as you're able to. Get the other driver's license, registration, insurance information, all that stuff should be gathered, right? So you have as much evidence as possible. Third, don't admit fault. Don't say you're sorry or you screwed up. Don't say that to the other driver, to the police that showed the scene, to anyone involved. Don't admit fault because you may not be at fault for the accident. So it doesn't make sense to admit fault. Fourth is get medical attention, get checked out, right? Get to a doctor, make sure you're okay, assuming you're injured, of course. If you're not injured, you feel fine, there's no need to get checked out. But if you're injured and you don't get medical treatment, right, the insurance company will claim that you were not injured because you can't document it. You can't document that you actually received medical treatment. Fifth, talk to a lawyer. Any personal injury lawyer out there will offer you a free, no obligation consultation to talk with you, see if you have a case. And feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number is 617-338-7400. Happy to talk. No pressure. We're easy to talk to. We have books that I wrote that are related to accidents. So feel free to call us, ask for our books. We're here to help you. Have a good day.